And his baby cage here outside. Instead of bringing that huge little house that he lives in, a bird mansion, I bought him this nice little pit. Well, not pit, but a little travel bag. And it has a nice vent on each side, the right and the left, for ventilation. So it's well ventilated. I won't leave him out here long. Now I put his little tray. The tray came with it and also the perch. But I had his little feeders and stuff like that from his other stuff. So I just wanted my baby to enjoy his whole life. He's sitting out here. Hang on. My dog is going nuts. So he ain't having it. I don't trust him. There's my two boys. Jake is over 30 years old. And glad that they have this plastic on here, so he can't easily access them. Be nice to Jake. That's my friend. Good boy to Jake. Look at Jake. Now you can whistle all you want, Jake, outside. You gonna whistle? Give me so much joy and love, companionship down through the years. Rick brought me so much love and companionship the last 2 years of his little life. He's still not my baby, ain't it? Yes, it is. I have to let him be introduced to Jake sitting on the swing. Now that it's the summertime, I have both of my boys out here. Yeah. Say bye-bye, Jake.